Hello everyone. In this tutorial it shows
How to create a hierarchy chart in Google Sheets. It helps you visualize relationship like company, structure, family tree, or reporting hierarchy in a clear and organized way.
so let's begin. First select your data, then go to the insert tab, chart, and choose organizational chart or org and choose any color. Change the color, tab color. Okay. Move anywhere, increase or decrease to the chart size. Okay. Small, medium, large. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.